I'm going to be showing you how to fix Discord when it says your phone number is invalid on your iPhone. So if Discord on your iPhone says that your phone is invalid, it usually happens because of formatting issues, recent settings, or temporary glitches. So here's a step-by-step guide to fix it. So the first thing you need to do is check your phone number format. Always use your full international format. Like if you're from UK, you can add +44 at the beginning. If you're from US, you have +5, +15. So just use your international code. You also need to make sure that you're on the right region. So to check that, you need to go to your app library and search for settings, which is right there. Just go ahead and tap there. And once you're here, you just need to scroll down till you find General, which is right there. After you tap here, you need to go to language and region, which is right here, and make sure that you're on the right place. If not, then you can just change your region to currently where you are. So sometimes Discord blocks numbers temporarily due to suspicious activity or network issues, so you can try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data. Make sure that you're also updated with the Discord app. Older versions can sometimes cause verification errors. So in all of these ways, you can successfully fix Discord when it says your phone number is invalid on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.